That wasn't the official. I didn't go to the official part. The official part is all the way up to the top. I didn't want to do all of that. So you have unofficial rafting and the official raft. Alright guys, welcome to another episode in the 12 Chapters of Christmas series. We are at attraction number 10 and that is White River. We're rafting on the White River, which is the border of St. Anne and St. Mary. My guide today is Roger. Check in, Roger. Morning, Roger. So he's gonna be my guide for, how long is this? 45 minutes to an hour. So this is something that you can come and do. At the end I'll leave his contact information below. You can link him and he'll guide you when you get here. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So like a creative, what a creative should be able to do and what they'll be able to see on different screens. So do we start with what the owner of the project has permissions to do, like capabilities to do, and then work our way from there? Because I believe that would be the easiest way to do everything. To start it from there, as in the person who owns the project, for example, the person who owns a document. Like Google. Hold on, I'm using my left hand to record. Hold on.
I love the people.
Hold on, let me see. Alright guys, that is the end of the White River rafting. That wasn't the official. I didn't go to the official part. The official part is all the way up to the top, but I didn't want to do all of that. So you have unofficial rafting and the official rafting, which is up at the top of the river and it comes down, but where I went was like the base. It's similar to the Rio Grande rafting in Portland, where you have the official rafting part and then you have the unofficial rafting part. But the unofficial part is always what you see first and the official one is the one that's further up. Yo, Jamaicans are something else, I tell you, they're something else. Anyway, apparently, yeah, I don't know the official rate, man, but it's all up in the air. You just have to figure, just have to figure your way out. If you want the official rate, then you go up the hill. If you want the unofficial rate that you can negotiate prices, then it's below. Yeah, so this is attraction number 10. Signing out on attraction number 10. I have 2 more attractions to do, but it's my last day in Ocho Rios, so I'll have to come back another day before the year ends. Hectic, man. I've been running up and down for the last 3-4 days. It has been crazy because of the holiday situation, but I'll be back before the year ends to finish the last 2. But for now, we're signing out on attraction number 10. See you tomorrow around this time.